Most people think AI creates great videos by itself, but the real quality comes from the instructions you give. Today, I'll show you the 5 parts of a professional AI prompt. These 2 prompts ask for the same scene, but one gives the AI almost no direction. The second prompt explains exactly what should happen. Professional prompts follow a simple structure: character, location, action, camera, lighting. When these 5 parts work together, the result looks much more natural. Never describe only the person. Describe who they are, where they are, and how they should appear. The AI understands details better than short instructions. The environment shapes the entire scene. If you don't describe the place clearly, the AI fills in the missing details on its own. Be specific, and your results become much more consistent. The camera is part of your prompt. The lighting is also part of your prompt. When you describe both clearly, your videos immediately look more realistic. Now let's put everything together. A powerful is the character, the environment, the action, the camera, and the lighting. When these details work together, AI can understand your vision much better. This is the difference between asking AI for a video and actually directing the AI. Next episode, I'll show you how to create cinematic AI scenes step by step.